Okay, so today I'm going to be going over my Google site. So here we have the initial layout. So when we start here, the heading, we have educational technology. Obviously it's done by me, Madison Latham. So then we go down, it gives more of an in detail introduction of myself. And then also I've got some pictures. That's me and my husband. So you can showcase pictures that way. Then I have more of my about me. I actually created this video in class, so that is going to be linked here. And then we have self-introduction, which that document should be open. And then we also have, I have my resume posted here. So you can go through and look at that. And then also the skills in educational technology final project. So that is where I will upload these videos. Next for my tools of education, which goes to the second page. So here we have the tools for instruction that I use. We've got Google Docs, we've got Google Slides, iMovie, Nearpod, Screenomatic. Then we also got tools for classroom and job management. I put in Google Forms, tools for assessment, Google Forms again as well, and then Nearpod. Also, the last page in my Google site is the contact and feedback page. So pretty much I put in a Google form for people to give feedback on my Google site, and then also just did a little thank you, give any type of constructive criticism type of message to my audience. So that's pretty much an overview of my Google site. It's very simple, laid out, to the point, nothing too drastic, but I think it's really cool that you can go in here and click on these links and are able to go to any of the type of material that is available. So thanks.